Error message. The remote environment is logging off. The connection will be closed. In Windows Sandbox, typically indicates that the sandbox environment encountered a problem and is being forced to shut down. This could be due to a number of reasons. Here's a breakdown of possible causes and how to fix them. 1. System requirements. Ensure your PC meets these requirements. Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise, build 1903 or later, or Windows 11 Pro Enterprise, virtualization enabled in BIOS, VTX or AMD, at least 4GB RAM, preferably 8GB plus, at least one CPU core free for the sandbox, Hyper-V support. 2. Enable necessary features. Check if the following Windows features are enabled. Go to Control Panel, Programs, turn Windows features on or off, enable Windows Sandbox, Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Hypervisor Platform. Then restart your PC. 3. Check virtualization is enabled in BIOS. Reboot and enter BIOS UEFI, usually by pressing Del F2 or F10. Find settings like Intel Virtualization Technology VTX or AMD and enable them. Save and exit. 4. Check for conflicting software. Disable or uninstall third-party antivirus or VPN software. Other virtualization tools like VMware or VirtualBox, which may interfere with Hyper-V. 5. Run System File Checker. Sometimes, missing or corrupted system files cause Sandbox to fail. Run this in Command Prompt Admin sfc/scanow. Wait for it to complete and follow any suggested fixes. 6. Windows Update. Make sure your system is up to date. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, install all updates and reboot. 7. Clear or reinstall Sandbox. To reset Windows Sandbox, 1. Go to turn Windows features on or off. 2. Uncheck Windows Sandbox. Click OK and reboot. 3. Then recheck it, click OK and reboot again. If the issue persists after trying all the above, let me know. Your Windows version, WinVer command, whether virtualization is enabled, any recent changes or updates, I can then give you more tailored steps.